And a man accused of a deadly stabbing in Stamford last summer has just made his first appearance in court, charged with that murder. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter reports on the case from Stamford Superior Court.
This day was several months in the making. Donald Copeland was taken into custody by U.S. Marshals in Poughkeepsie, New York, back in February. But Copeland fought extradition, leading to a nearly 4-month wait until a New York court sent him back here.
Mr. Copeland, can you hear me okay?
Donald Copeland faced a judge Tuesday charged with killing Jimmy Lewis nearly a year ago. On August 18th, Lewis was discovered bleeding heavily inside his car after crashing it on Hamilton Avenue around 1 in the morning.
There's a bar on that street, and so people were coming out of the bar due to closing time and noticed this. The male had lost consciousness. The patrons in the bar actually tried to render aid to him.
Stamford Police Sergeant Sean Boger says Lewis was stabbed several times just around the corner from there on Culloden Road. Boger tells us the attack happened in the street, and DNA evidence pointed investigators to Copeland, whose family lived right there.
Our suspect's blood and the victim's blood were mixed together further into that property within a camper that the suspect was using as a temporary residence.
Copeland disappeared after the stabbing, with investigators later tracking him to the Hudson River Valley region.
The suspect and the victim knew each other. They appeared to be acquaintances, if not friends. So the best guess at this point is some type of fallout between the two men.
During Copeland's arraignment, Assistant State's Attorney Sean McGinnis pushed for bond to remain at $2 million.
The state has a very strong circumstantial case against the defendant. I'll also note, Your Honor, that the defendant fled to New York State.
A possible future defense was also mentioned as Public Defender Howard Ehring asked for bond to be lowered.
So I'm not certain whether the direction that we'll be going in, there may be a basis for self-defense. However, it should be something that the court considers in setting bond.
Judge Randolph set Copeland's bond at $2 million for the murder charge. Copeland is also charged with possession of a controlled substance. In Stamford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.